to my channel. It's Glambykiki. What I have for you guys today is something super cool and super fun and very in trend and right now. Cause you wanna know why? Cause prom is here. Prom season is up in full throttle. So I decided that I wanted to do a prom look along with my friend Royal Jules on Instagram and on YouTube. We did a collaboration, so her video will be in the description box down below, so make sure you check her out for her video too on a prom look. So without further ado, if you guys want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. And you know the drill, guys. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to click that bell and subscribe to my channel so you get notified every time I upload. And yes, I see you guys in a jiffy. So I zoomed you in a little bit closer. And yes, I have my eyebrows done. That's all I have done. I am going to start off with my foundation. I am going to be using the foundation from JOUER. I'm in the shade Honey Beige, and the JOUER Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation, it is a staple if you are going out for an event, for a special occasion. It is definitely something that you may want to wear for prom, being that you're gonna be out for a couple hours taking very great photos and all that jazz. But this foundation is amazing. I primed my skin off camera and prepped my skin off camera just to save a little bit of time. Of course, you're going to want to shake it, and everything that I will be using will be in the description box down below, so make sure you check down there for that. So I'm taking, that's half a pump, literally, guys. Cause watch how you're gonna see this is gonna blend out so nicely. It's my buff and blend brush from Huda Beauty. This is my friend. This is my best friend, especially for a full coverage foundation. Right now she looking janky cause she, you know, she's been used and abused, but she's really good. I love this foundation so much, don't even understand. Look how much coverage this already gave. So now that we're done with the foundation, I'm pleased with the finish. You guys saw I didn't put any foundation super close underneath up in my eye area, for the simple fact that we are gonna go with a full coverage concealer, and we don't want to add no cakiness underneath the eye. So that's another tip and trick that you may want to consider, especially for pictures and long events. My favorite concealer for the past month has definitely been the Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. Like, this is gonna be your best friend. Everything that I'm gonna be using today is gonna be best friend appropriate for prom season, guys. In the shade 2W, anti-creasing. It's liquid to powder finish, which is amazing. It sets into the skin so nicely, and a little bit goes a long way, honestly. It looks like a flawless under eye after putting this on. Is like so amazing. So I'm taking this underneath my eyes, and I'm taking it on the center of my face as well. You can go ahead and set the face. We want to make sure that we're using something that's not going to give you flashback, something that's going to give you coverage and also oil control. I'm going to go in with my Cover FX powder in the shade G60 Plus. It gives me a little bit more warmth to the skin, and it also doesn't have any talc. It doesn't have, it's paraben and sulfate free, which is not going to clog your pores. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Morphe R2 brush, and I love this brush just to pack on. This is just gonna set everything in place. We're gonna go with a translucent powder, and also it's gonna act as a brightening powder for the T-zone area and under our eyes. Excuse me, though, I'm disgusted, I have to burp. excuse me, handy dandy RCMA powder. I'm going in with my Morphe M438 brush, and I'm taking it lightly on the brush. So I'm getting the product and I'm taking it lightly, so I'm dusting off enough of the excess product just to make sure that when I set it, there's no clumps of powder in certain areas. So with that being said, before setting your eye area, you want to make sure there are no creases right there. Right, so I like to pack in product first before I start baking, because we are gonna bake today with this powder. Then I go ham. So I take all this product that I have on the brush like this, and then I gently just press it and pat it in. Baking underneath the eye also helps with like the eyeshadow. The eyeshadows that we're gonna go and put on now, let's just say if some falls out on the bottom area right here, once we're done we could just swipe that away. For the eye look, I'm actually going to be using one of Patrick eye palettes from his collaboration with MAC, and I'm using the Stay With Me eyeshadow quad. So this is how it looks. I'm going to be using this whole palette just to create this one look on the eye. So I'm gonna grab my Morphe M441 brush, which is this nice tapered slim crease brush. Actually go in with the first color, well, the first color right here, this one right here. I'm just gonna go right in the crease for this. In the comments down below, let me know, what did you wear for makeup for prom? Like, how did you dress, and who do you remember, or was it yourself that did your makeup, or they did your makeup for prom? Was it what you was looking for, where like you look back on it now like, damn girl, like who told you could have wore that with that dress? I'm gonna tell y'all a little story. For my prom, my high school prom, oh my god, I think I might pop in a picture too, but my prom was like, my prom makeup was horrible. I don't know who and why they let me go outside like that, but okay, so I had this girl who did my makeup. She lived in my building. I had her do my makeup. Tell me how sis did not even do my eyebrows. I had full eyeshadow, black, gray, silver, you name it. But sis left me without brows. And then I was super tan. I had red hair. Oh my god, it was a whole mess. And then on top of that, I got my dress super late, and mom helped me make my dress to how I wanted it because it didn't have a tail. So I ended up doing the tail. So like, it was a whole mess. Anyways, you guys are gonna see the picture in like 5, 4, 3, 2. And yeah, that's how I looked for prom. Like a whole mess. Like, I don't know who told me it was okay to do that. So now I'm going in with this color, and it adds a little bit more depth. Next color I am going to go in with is this one right here. Yes, more like on my outer V. The next color is going to be this one right here. Being that we have this harsh line right here that's not blended, we're gonna go in with a clean brush and we're just gonna blend and diffuse that. I'm going to go in with the glitter glue from Too Faced. This is my best friend as well. So I'm putting a great amount of the glitter glue. Wherever I did not put any eyeshadow at, that's where I'm putting my adhesive. I'm using one more extra eyeshadow, but it's from a different brand. It's from COLORPOP Cosmetics, and I am using Revolution, which is their Super Shadow Shock. It's very metallic. This is the Super Shock. I'm gonna pop that right on the lid where we laid down the glitter glue. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I finished up the eyes with my highliner from Marc Jacobs in Grapevine. I just lined my waterline and tight lined with this. And the lashes that I popped on were the House of Lashes Fault Natalia's. I'm gonna go in with HOOLA bronzer to warm up the face and give some more definition with my Morphe M530 brush. Basically what we are creating is a 3. So we're gonna start from our sides of our forehead, our hollows of our cheeks, and we're gonna finish off on our jawline. I'm going to go in with my PATRICKSTARRR Blush Duo in Take Me Home, the deeper shade. I'm gonna leave that towards the back right here, and then towards the front I'm going to go in with the lighter shade. You want to put your highlighter on before you feel like your face is like completely dry. Taking my Morphe M510 brush. It's from Artist Couture. I'm using Conceited, and then I'm going to use Gold Digger on top. Look how beautiful this is. Yes. Last but not least, we are going to be doing the lips. Mama Star Kiss, the lip gloss, and we will be using JOUER's liquid lipstick in Noisette. Okay guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun doing this video, especially since it's prom season and everybody wants to know what type of look they're going for. If you really like this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. I would love to know what you guys think, or if you guys have any other questions. And do not forget that I will be leaving everything I used in the description box down below. I'll see ya on the flip side.